What's up, guys? So today I'm just going to show you how to make one of these Carpenter Bee Traps. I've been fighting these things like crazy, and they've been boring the heck out of my shed here. You can see there's some holes right there. There's one right there actually boring. Ha! Got him. But I made this trap. See if I can get this lid off here. See all the bees in there. I don't know how many's in there, probably 15 or 20. This thing's only been up for about 2 weeks. Right there's another one. Yeah, these things I'm infested with these things, so yeah, I'm gonna make a couple more of these traps and get them hung up, so hopefully we'll get rid of these things. Alright, so what I've got here is I had a fence post that was cut off, and it's about 4 inches in diameter, and I cut it about 5 inches long. Didn't take exact measurements, I just eyeballed it. You can use an old fence post, a 4x4, pretty much anything you got. That's what I'm about, using what we got to work with. So that's what I've got. 3/4 inch spade bit, 1/2 inch spade bit, jelly jar, the lid, some hooks to hang it with, and some little finish nails. So I'll start off with the 3/4 inch bit. Now you're going to want to drill in the center, but not all the way through, about 3/4 of the way deep here. So you can use tape to mark your depth. I'm not have to be exact, so I'm just going to say about 1.5 inches left in my bit here. Alright, got that drilled. And we'll put the 1/2 inch bit in. And so the side that you drilled on, you want to start on that side about probably 1 inch from the bottom. And you want to drill up at an angle with this 1/2 inch bit. Some people say 45 degrees. I don't know, it doesn't have to be exact, because the one I made, showed you, it was just guesstimated. So what you're going to do is you're going to drill all the way up into this center hole that you just drilled with that 3/4 inch bit. You probably can't see on camera, but I went all the way to that center hole. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill about 4 of these around through here. Alright, got my 4 holes drilled around through there. They all meet in the center. Clean this center hole up a little bit. Alright, so what we'll do now is go ahead and put the lid on. We're going to take this and just center it. It doesn't have to be perfect, around this hole. Take a finish nail, and we're just going to nail it takes is a couple nails. Then you'll be able to screw your jar on. Take your hook, put it in the center here. I like to give a little tap to give it started. And just screw it in. And you just hang it by that. Got yourself a Carpenter Bee Trap. Like and subscribe, folks.